Hello, YouTube growers. How you doing today? I lost my thought there for a second. I'm going to do a little unboxing of something today, and I'd like to share it with you. But I'm going to smoke some Blue Dream on the way. So excuse me. Okay, now to bring us back to our tale. I'm an old-time grower. And you know, I've been using high pressure sodium for my flowers since they came out. Well, I won't go that far because I don't know when they actually came out, but I can tell you there weren't any grow stores when I started using there weren't any brick and mortar grow stores. They were the only place you could pick up equipment was on the internet. And you know, you didn't have a lot of options at that time. But I chose to use HID, and it worked for me, and it worked so good I thought, you know, I'm not going to change. You know, even when the LED lights were coming out and people were talking about the different lights, well, you know, there were so many lights that came out the year that I started looking that I quit looking because I didn't know what I was looking at anymore. So I finally made that change. And I'm going to be working with, from now on I hope, the Black Dog LED. And I went with the PhytoMAX 1000. And that's going to be replacing my high pressure sodium in my flower tent right now. I can't tell you exactly when this transition is going to occur because I still have some plants in my flower room that are probably at a max of 5 weeks out, maybe 4 weeks out. And the only dilemma that I put myself in is I already popped some seeds, and these seeds came from Grow Big Nugs, so I'm really excited to get these strains going. But I didn't know that I should have popped my seeds under the LED. It's highly recommended. So, and I don't want to replace this light, put this light in there until my flowering plants are done. Unless somebody can give me a different idea, I don't know any other way to do it. I bounced it off some people, and actually we'll get to that. So anyways, I'm going with the Black Dog PhytoMAX 1000, and I went there this morning and to meet the owners, and I was met by Amanda, who is in the front end of the business, and I'm telling you, while I was there, I could tell this was a pretty busy place. You know, she was making sales when I walked in the door, and she hung up the phone to go get Noah, who is the operations director or manager. I think he's part owner, and I'm pretty sure he is. And so Noah came out and greeted me, and he took me on a little tour and showed me some what's going on there. And I'm telling you, they got some awesome plants in there. They grow all these exotic plants, and it's really, really nice. And of course, they use their Black Dog lights. I didn't see any. Yeah, I did see some tents with the PhytoMAX. Excuse me. Anyways, getting off the subject here. So you know, I learned a lot about how how the LED actually becomes an LED with the Black Dog, and all the engineering and design is done here in Colorado. And yeah, just like everything else in the world, or 90% of it, all the manufacturer and, well, I can't say all the manufacturer, but yeah, I think so. All the manufacture of parts and the production of putting them together is done in China. And this is a reputable company that they work with. They have really good quality control. They've been out to the factory a couple of times, and the owners of Black Dog LED are satisfied with them, so I'm satisfied with them as well. And as far as I'm concerned, the only place you're going to get a American assembled, or an American designed assembled light is going to be, well, I'm sure there's somebody else out there. I have somebody in mind, and I think I'm leaning towards Spectrum King on this one, but Black Dog is like I said, it's designed, engineered, and it's produced in China, and it's shipped here. And when they're shipped here, they're completely inspected, tested, and then they're boxed up and sent out to the next lucky buyer. Let's see, what else did I learn of the company? Only that they're one of the oldest, if not the oldest, LED manufacturers or distributors in the United States for LED lights. So, you know, and one good thing about it is all of their service work, if there's any warranty work or anything like that that needs to be done with your light, you just ship it back to Colorado. It doesn't go to China to get repaired. And they have the parts, and they told me they usually have like a 24-hour turnover where they get your package back in the mail to you. So you know, I like that all the service and repairs are done here. I like the fact that it's quick turnaround, so you're not losing a lot of time with your grow where that particular light is involved. And I don't know, guys. I'm just this Blue Dream's kicking my ass. And I will share something with you. This Blue Dream was produced on a PhytoMAX. PhytoMAX. I'm sorry. I'll get that. I'll get the tongue for that. The PhytoMAX 200, and there were I think 12 plants grown, and they go right over to veg. Right over to flower. Shortly after, I don't know, a couple weeks old, I guess, 4 weeks old, and this was part of 7 ounces that was grown in a 200 in a 2x3 space, I believe. Anyways, that got me off the story there. But I wanted to tell you when I picked up the light that they also give me a pair of Method 7s. These are the Black Dog issue of Method 7s, and these lenses are made specifically for the Black Dog's Spectrum. And their Spectrum, you know what, I'm going to save all that stuff until, you know, my next video or so, or I'm going to be working with this is going to be my next new thing. So I'll be using these lights. You'll learn everything I learn as I learn it. So anyways, I wanted to do this, I wanted to pull these out too. Check them out here. What we got in here? Oh, a couple of stickers. Don't go blind. Don't grow blind. Yeah, I didn't see it correctly until I put it backwards on the monitor there. Okay, Method 7. Yep, third method 7. LED. Frame is made in Italy. These are operator model glasses, I guess. Let's see here. Not an LED, so I could almost see 3D with this under no LED. Very cool. Very cool. I don't think I'd want to, seeing their lights in their grow areas, I don't think I would want to go in my grow room without eye protection. And I just had my eyes surgically corrected not long ago. Probably some of you remember that. I had the lenses in both eyes taken out and they implanted. That was very interesting. But it corrected my vision. I couldn't see anything. I couldn't drive at night. Couldn't do anything anymore with my eyes. It was from working all those years on rooftops and stuff. And all that reflection of light, because I lived in California, so it was crazy. It just tore up my eyes. Gave me real bad cataract in both eyes. So they put an artificial lens in, which allows me to see distance. And I no longer get halos around everything at night. It's really cool. I just need a little bit of a prescription for reading. And it's only in one eye as well. I think it's in the left eye. That's where the correction is. But anyways, you know, for like $4,000 more, they could have corrected in both ways, but I couldn't swing it. All right. Well, I'm going to do one more little hit of this Blue Dream as I really need it. And there we go. Then we're going to do an unboxing. Thank you for being patient today. I don't usually take this much time in the video. All right. So let me change. Excuse me. Okay, let me change the angle of attack a little on my camera here. Come on, turn. That sucker locked. Here. Go. Okay. Very important. Save original packaging. 5 years down the road, you don't want to have something go out with your light. With a problem with your light, you have to try to package it securely so you can send it back for service. Nice heavy boxes here. Got the staples on the corners. Very nice. This thing's heavy too. I think they said it was, hanging weight was, let me see. I think it was, I'm going to call it 53 pounds. Yeah, okay, here we go. 53 pounds. And for some of you guys out there, it's 24 kilograms. And then in the top here, we got our little hangers, hooks. You've all seen these. And the little ratchet lifts. And of course the power cord. So, wow, this is really packed well. Nice foam packing. Ooh. Ah. Wow. You guys see that? What? Okay, oh, this is the top. Okay. This is going to be tough, guys. I know somebody's going to say, there's an easier way to do that. There is. Let me shut this off so you don't have to witness my straining, and I'll get back. Okay, after a long and laboring, well, I'll take that back. Wasn't that laboring? Because I looked at it for a second and I thought, well, you know what? If you could just stick this hanger in there, pull it right out. Okay. There you go. The Black Dog PhytoMAX 1000. Let's see. Designed in Boulder, Colorado. Assembled in China. 100 to 250 volts AC. And this is actual 1015 watts. I'll have to reread. I read something where they were talking about how many LED watts this is, and I think it was something like 2,000 and, don't quote me, 64 or something like that. I don't know, but you'll get that information as soon as I read it. Okay, that'd be the top of the unit, and there's the actual panel. Oh, let's see. Okay, for a 1000 PhytoMAX 1000 in the footprint size for flower mode is the flower cycle is 5.5 feet by, or 5'5" by 5'5", and for you people who learned on the metric, you got 168 times 168 centimeters, and the hanging distance from the plant is, they recommend 32 inches. Let's see. $50,000 hours warranty on their expected lifetime of the lights. 70,000 hours for the fans. It's got a limited lifetime warranty. The spectrum is proprietary photogenesis spectrum, covering 365 to 750 nanometers, including UV and NIR. Very cool. You know, I don't know how many LEDs are in here. I know I know nothing about it. Let's put it that way. Okay, let me just try to give you a little shot of what this thing's gonna see it here first, you know, as I do myself. Let's see, what is this cord? Is this, how much length do we have here? This looks like about at least an 8-foot cord. Your connections and your switcher on the side here. Get this thing off. Let's go. And these, I was told, are soft start, so they don't blast all at once. You can turn them on, turn them off, and turn them right back on. There's no cycle time that you have to wait there. Here we go. Squint your eyes. I don't know what that did to you guys. I didn't look at the light, but it seemed to be pretty flippin' bright. But anyway, so we're going to cut this off right now. I just wanted to do the unboxing with you and share a little bit of my experience. And it's me. I didn't hire any actors to finish this for me. So I just wanted to share this a little bit with you, and I'll be putting a lot of videos up in the near future. So thanks for watching, everybody, and peace.